bubble sort algorithm, a loop invariant is condition that holds true before and after each iteration of for the outer loop in bubble sort. So the invariant is related to the sorted portion of the array. Specifically, after each pulse of the outer loop, the invariant ensures that the largest I elements are correctly sorted in their final positions. So when we're talking about the outer loop in this bubble sort, the invariant after the I pass of the outer loop, this. Okay, this I pass of the outer loop, the last I elements of the array are sorted and in their correct positions. Okay, now let's see the calculation. This is the unsorted array and you have to make it as a sorted array, right? So this is my first round. So I equals 1, 8, 22, 7, 9, 31, 5, 30. You have to check 2 by 2. First these two. And 22 is First of all, I have to consider that this is an array which wants to make as a descending order, right? You have to make it into descending order. Okay. Now first we checking these two. So obviously 22 is larger than 2. So we swap these together. So 22, 8, 7, 9, 31, 5, 30. Next you have to swap these two. No changing because 8 is larger than 7. Next you have to swap, check these two. Obviously 9 is larger than 7. Next you have to check these two. Next you have to check this. No changing. Next you have to check these two. Obviously 13 is larger than 5. So this number is swapped with this number. This is the 22, 8, 9, 31, 7, 13 and 5. So first round is done. Now let's go to the I equals 2. Okay, before going to next round, I have to highlight one point. How many numbers in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So numbers are 7 numbers in here. Let's check how many loops in here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So loop is 6. This is n minus 1. So every time your loop should be n minus 1. Okay. Now you understand what I am saying. Okay. Now let's go to the second round. This is the sorted answer from I round 1. So I'm writing it again with 22, 8, 9, 31, 7, 13, 5. Okay. Okay, now you have to check these numbers first. 22 and 8. No swapping because 22 is larger than 8. This is correct. Oh, forgot to put I count. So please remember to put this value as well. This you have to check in these numbers. Yes, 9 is larger than 8. I'm sorry, this is 31, okay? Okay, let's recheck this. Obviously 31 is larger than 8. Next we checking these together. No change because 8 is larger than 7. Next you have to compare this. So you have to swap it because 13 is larger than 7. Last but not least, you have to swap this one. But no swapping because seven is almost larger than 5. So yes, I value 2 is gives us this. Okay. Okay. Now I value 3. This is the last outcome. 8, 13, 7, 5. Now you check 2 by 2. No swapping because already 22 is larger than 9. Yes. These two are always swapping because 31 is larger than 9. No swapping because already 9 is larger than 8. Next you have to check these two. Yes, it changed because 13 is larger than 8. Okay, there are no more swapping because this tree has already sorted, no? Okay, now the I value is 4. This swapping. No swapping. Okay. Now the answer is okay. In I value 5, you can first you have to check this, no swapping. Then check these two and no swapping. And these two, yes, it's swapped. Right? This is I value 5 and this is j equals 1, j equals 2, j equals 3, j equals 4. Right? Okay. Okay. The next is I equals 6. and 22, no swapping. 22 and 13, no swapping. 13 and 9, no swapping. 9 and 8, no swapping. 8 and 7, no swapping. 7 and 5, no swapping. So, now this becomes into a sorted array. So, this is all for bubble sort. I hope you can understand what I am doing in here. And you have to highlight one part because your loop invariant. Otherwise, your loop is have to your loop should be n minus 1. What count of if your elements in your array, as an example, you have 10 numbers in your array. You have to checking rounds. I mean, you have to loop it 9 times. So, loop invariant. Yes. This is the golden point which should be in your mind. Okay? Please remember these things, and that's all for today with bubble sort.